Hey everyone, it's Nick Valenti with NJ Valenti Art, and in today's video I want to talk about overcoming doubt as an artist. Art can be deeply personal, whether it's the subject matter or the act of creating itself, and it can be easy to lose yourself in doubt. It could be as simple as a comment on social media, or something someone close to you said, or even just scrolling through the vast amount of amazing artists online, in print, and so on. I want to share some of the things I like to do to hopefully help you keep that doubt away yourself. First, I think it's important to be honest about your goals to yourself and others. Let those around you know you're interested in art and that you will be spending time working on improving your artwork. This helps establish boundaries and respect for what it is you are doing. Let people know how important it is to you so they can understand the space and time you need to improve. So, for instance, if you have to miss a lunch date with friends to complete a project, they can have that understanding that what you are doing is important to you and progressing your career as an artist. That's also one of my main goals of this channel, is you can always leave me a comment or reach out to me on my other social media accounts. I'm always willing to talk and try to help out fellow artists as much as I can, so please feel free to reach out and let me know. The second thing that has helped me over the years is to find a plan or path and try to stick to it the best you can. Once you have had some time studying different art mediums and you have a better idea of what you enjoy creating and what you don't enjoy creating, this will allow you to be honest with yourself and come up with a plan that will suit you best. Do you enjoy character design, comics, illustration, animation, so on and so forth? Knowing what you like and don't like will certainly help guide you on your path. Now, once you come up with a plan, you need to execute it, whether that is taking online classes, going to school, or getting an apprenticeship. Whatever it may be, you want to make sure that it will be good enough to get you a job in that section of the industry you want to be in. Some industries can be harder to break into without some connections made in school. However, some industries are more concerned with experience and execution. So start to learn more about the part of the industry and what that may require from you as an artist. The last thing I want to talk about, and I'm sure you've heard this before, but you have to learn how to fail. It sounds cliche, but it's true. You have to allow time and be accepting of failure. That's how you will learn what works and what doesn't, and it will give you the ability to plan better as soon as you accept that failure is a necessary part of growing as an artist. It can be hard to step back and evaluate a failure without taking it personally, but the sooner you can learn and incorporate this, the sooner you will be able to move more freely and confidently in the directions of your goals. I hope you all found this video helpful. I know it's something every single artist encounters without a doubt. I will be making other videos like this, covering various aspects of being an artist for all it's worth. And again, my goal with the channel is to build a community of growing artists to help support each other and grow together. You can comment below or reach out on my other social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Until next time.